Let's see, you can't really read it because it's not focusing. But let me go up a little bit. Zippo lighter fluid. Zippo. Take it out. I know it says to lift this, but you see that little hole? You squeeze until you see it start to come up around the edges of that felt. Yep, see? Now it's full. And I just squirted some of that into my room. Put it back in. I know they say let it set, but I usually put this right back in my pocket. I mean, it was totally empty, wouldn't light. See, now it's lit. It works. But it's full now, and it's going to evaporate. Some of it's going to evaporate. This is a very old Zippo, and it needs a new wheel on it. The wheel's about wore out, but that's all there is to it.